After many years of practicing Jin Shin Jyutsu on myself and on others, I am still in awe of how some simple self-help holds can really bring about amazing results in a very short period of time. And today I'm going to show you a self-help hold for digestive problems. Now, a friend and a Jin Shin Jyutsu colleague of mine shared this story of his experience with this self-help hold. He and his wife had gone off to the south of France to meet up with some friends, to stay with some friends. And on that first evening, his friends spoiled them with some very rich, lovely French food like cheeses and pâté and lovely wine. And this was all food that he and his wife weren't really used to. So come bedtime, he realizes that he's got all this food sitting like a stone in his guts. He feels really uncomfortable and can't sleep. Then he remembers that crossing his arms and placing his hands on the crease of the elbows can help with digestive issues. And so he did this, and within 5 minutes, he felt everything easing, he fell asleep, he slept like a baby, and he woke up refreshed. So all you need to do if you have that real heaviness in your stomach, real heaviness in your abdominal area after eating too much and indulging too much in rich food, all you need to do is cross your arms and place the right hand on the left elbow and the left hand on the right elbow. So it's basically just on the crease or on the elbows, wherever's comfortable. Relax the hands and hold until there is relief. Really easy and really dynamic. So I hope you enjoyed this exercise and make sure you look out for the next one.